Lint Roller Magic, 7 amazing cleaning hacks for your home. Marcus here from Seniors Cleaning Hacks, and that tiny lint roller sitting forgotten in your drawer could save you hundreds of dollars on cleaning supplies. Most people throw these away after using them once on clothes, but I'm about to show you 7 incredible ways this simple tool can clean almost everything in your house, including spots your expensive vacuum can't reach. This one change will cut your housework time in half. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because we share money-saving cleaning tips like this every week that will transform how you keep your home spotless. Introduction. Welcome back to Seniors Cleaning Hacks. I'm Marcus, and today we're exploring the incredible world of lint roller cleaning. This isn't just about removing pet hair from sweaters. We're talking about a complete game changer for your entire cleaning routine. That small roll of sticky tape you have tucked away? It's one of the most underrated cleaning tools in existence. Professional organizers and cleaning experts have been using these techniques for years, and they're ready to share their secrets with you. Whether you're dealing with mobility challenges, trying to save money on cleaning supplies, or looking for faster ways to keep your home pristine, these 7 methods will revolutionize your housekeeping approach. Each technique has been tested by professional cleaners and comes with practical tips to make your life easier. What makes lint rollers so special? Unlike traditional cleaning tools that push dirt around, scatter debris, or require multiple passes, lint rollers capture and hold particles on contact. They're silent, require no electricity, work in tight spaces, and are gentle enough for delicate surfaces while being thorough enough for deep cleaning.
Hack number 1, the ultimate dusting solution. Forget expensive feather dusters that push dust around instead of removing it. Your lint roller captures and holds dust particles, removing them completely from your home instead of just redistributing them to other surfaces. Start with lampshades. This is where lint rollers truly shine. Fabric lampshades collect dust like magnets, and trying to clean them with cloths often pushes dust deeper into fibers or causes damage to delicate materials. Gently roll over the entire surface from top to bottom in smooth, overlapping strokes. The results are immediate and impressive. You'll see dust particles stuck to the roller sheet that would have remained embedded in the fabric with traditional methods. Move to upholstered furniture next. Sofas, armchairs, and dining chairs collect dust, dead skin cells, and microscopic debris that regular vacuuming often misses. The lint roller's sticky surface grabs particles embedded deep in fiber filaments, giving you deeper cleaning than traditional methods. Pay special attention to armrests and seat cushions, where body contact leaves the most residue. For curtains and drapes, this method is particularly effective and cost-saving. These fabric panels act like giant air filters throughout the day, trapping cooking odors, pet dander, and airborne particles. Instead of expensive dry cleaning every few months, simply run your lint roller over the entire surface from top to bottom, holding fabric taut with one hand while rolling with the other. The technique works brilliantly on cloth placemats, fabric storage bins, upholstered headboards, and fabric wall hangings. It's completely silent, perfect for early morning or evening cleaning when others are sleeping, and incredibly gentle, making it safe for delicate antiques, vintage fabrics, or heirloom textiles that might be damaged by aggressive cleaning methods. Hack number 2, pet hair control made simple. Pet owners know the daily struggle. Pet hair appears everywhere, seemingly multiplying overnight. Regular vacuums often struggle with pet hair on upholstered surfaces, and expensive pet hair removal tools don't always work effectively on different fabric types. Your lint roller becomes invaluable here, often outperforming tools designed specifically for pet hair removal. The sticky surface grabs pet hair more effectively than most specialized tools, working efficiently on surfaces where vacuums are ineffective or completely impractical. Roll firmly across cushions, chair arms, and furniture backs using consistent pressure. Work in one direction first, then go back over the same area in the opposite direction. This cross-pattern technique captures hair lying flat against fabric grain that single-direction rolling might miss. You'll be amazed at how much hair comes up with this systematic approach. Car interiors present another major challenge for pet owners. Pet hair accumulates in seats, carpets, and crevices between cushions where it's nearly impossible to reach with traditional tools. A lint roller is perfect for automotive cleaning because it's portable, doesn't require electricity, and works effectively in tight spaces. keep one in your car for regular maintenance between professional detailing. For bedding, a quick roll before washing helps remove bulk hair, preventing your washing machine from becoming clogged and reducing the load on your dryer's lint trap. This preliminary step also helps your bedding come out cleaner, since the washing machine can focus on other types of soil. Keep small travel-sized lint rollers in strategic locations throughout your home: bedroom, front door, mudroom, and car for quick hair removal checks. Professional cleaners working in homes with multiple pets often use several lint roller sheets per room, so don't hesitate to use as many as needed for thorough results.
Hack number 3 is a mobility-friendly pickup solution. This hack is genuinely life-changing for anyone with mobility challenges, arthritis, back problems, or balance issues. When you drop coins, pills, small craft supplies, or jewelry, instead of struggling to bend down or risking a fall, simply roll your lint roller over the item. The sticky surface picks it up securely and safely. This technique is particularly valuable for people taking medications who accidentally drop pills. Instead of getting on hands and knees to search under furniture or appliances, the lint roller makes retrieval quick, dignified, and safe, maintaining independence while reducing fall risk. Craft enthusiasts find this especially useful for beads, sequins, buttons, and tiny supplies that inevitably escape during projects. Keep a dedicated lint roller at your craft table for immediate cleanup. The systematic rolling motion helps ensure you don't miss scattered pieces that could be stepped on later. In the kitchen, dropped spices, small food pieces, or scattered ingredients can be retrieved easily without moving heavy appliances or getting down on the floor. This is particularly helpful when cooking, as you can quickly clean up spills without interrupting meal preparation. The method works best on hard surfaces, like hardwood, tile, or linoleum, where items sit on top rather than sinking in. On thick carpets, you might need tweezers to remove items from the lint roller sheet, but the roller still effectively locates and secures dropped objects.
Hack number 4. Revolutionary floor cleaning. Traditional floor cleaning for small messes often feels like overkill. Getting out the vacuum or mop for a few crumbs seems excessive, but leaving debris creates accumulation problems. The lint roller provides the perfect middle ground solution for dry messes. Kitchen floors see constant small spills throughout the day from meal preparation, snacking, and general activity. Instead of sweeping multiple times, which can actually scatter crumbs into corners and under appliances, the lint roller captures debris exactly where it sits. This works beautifully on hardwood, tile, and laminate floors. Children's eating areas benefit enormously from this method. High chairs and play tables often have small food particles too small for effective sweeping, but too numerous to pick up individually. The lint roller gathers everything in one smooth motion, making cleanup quick and thorough. For elderly individuals or those with limited mobility, this technique eliminates the need for bending with dustpans or managing heavy vacuum equipment. The lightweight roller and upright working position make floor maintenance accessible and safe. Pet food areas are another excellent application. Dry kibble pieces and scattered treats can be cleaned quickly without disturbing feeding routines or moving heavy food bowls. This daily maintenance prevents accumulation that attracts insects or creates unpleasant odors. Hack number 5. Curtain and drape refreshing. Curtains and drapes represent one of the most challenging cleaning tasks in any home. They're too large for regular washing machines, professional cleaning is expensive and inconvenient, yet they collect more dust, odors, and debris than almost any other textile in your home. The lint roller transforms this overwhelming chore into manageable routine maintenance. Curtains essentially act as giant filters, trapping airborne particles, cooking odors, pet dander, and dust that affects both appearance and indoor air quality. Work systematically from top to bottom, one panel at a time. Hold fabric taut with your non-dominant hand while rolling with the other. This tension ensures maximum contact between roller surface and fabric, improving cleaning effectiveness. Pay special attention to bottom edges and folds where dust settles most heavily. For sheer or lightweight fabrics, use gentler pressure to avoid snagging or damage. Thermal or blackout curtains with textured surfaces respond particularly well to lint roller cleaning because the sticky surface reaches into texture patterns that traditional cleaning methods might miss entirely. This maintenance technique can significantly extend time between professional cleanings, potentially saving hundreds of dollars annually while keeping your window treatments looking fresh and clean. The method works effectively on cotton, polyester, silk, and fabric blends.
Hack number 6. Safe broken glass cleanup. Broken glass creates one of the most dangerous cleaning situations in any home. Traditional brooms can scatter microscopic shards. Vacuums might miss pieces that later cause injuries, and manual pickup risks serious cuts. The lint roller provides a safer, more thorough alternative that professional cleaners rely on. When glass breaks, first ensure everyone stays away from the affected area, especially children and pets. Start by carefully picking up larger, clearly visible pieces using tools like tongs or wearing protective gloves. Dispose of these immediately in sturdy containers to prevent trash bag punctures. The lint roller becomes invaluable for tiny, often completely invisible shards that cause cuts days or weeks later. Roll methodically over the entire area where glass might have scattered, including cracks between floorboards, corners, and areas around furniture legs where pieces bounce and hide. Work in overlapping patterns, using multiple sheets as necessary. For carpeted surfaces, lint rollers are particularly valuable since vacuum cleaners might not effectively remove small shards embedded in carpet fibers, and these pieces can work their way up over time. After rolling thoroughly, use a flashlight held at low angles across the floor. This technique reveals any remaining fragments through light reflection. Always dispose of used lint roller sheets immediately in puncture-proof containers.
Hack number 7. Complete car interior cleaning. Vehicle interiors face unique cleaning challenges. The confined space accumulates dirt, crumbs, pet hair, and debris, but traditional home cleaning equipment isn't practical or effective in automotive applications. The lint roller provides comprehensive solutions without requiring specialized automotive tools. Dashboard and console areas collect dust from air circulation systems and fingerprints from control operation. The lint roller removes this accumulation effectively without cleaning sprays that might damage sensitive electronics or leave residue on touchscreens and displays. Car seats trap an incredible amount of debris that regular vacuuming misses entirely. Crumbs, hair, dirt, and other particles embed deep into fabric fibers. The lint roller reaches into these areas, pulling out material that contributes to odors and wear. For leather seats, it effectively removes surface dust without requiring leather-specific conditioning products. Areas between and under seats accumulate dropped items and debris that traditional vacuum attachments simply cannot reach effectively. Cup holders and door pockets collect sticky residue and crumbs that lint rollers capture without spreading contamination to other surfaces. For families with children, car maintenance becomes much more manageable. Snack debris can be removed quickly and quietly without requiring car wash vacuum systems or specialized automotive cleaning services.
Advanced implementation tips. Professional cleaners maximize lint roller effectiveness through several advanced techniques. Temperature affects adhesive performance. Slightly warm rollers work more effectively because the adhesive becomes more pliable and grabs particles better. Use smooth, consistent pressure with overlapping passes, changing direction between applications to capture debris lying in different orientations. Quality varies significantly between brands, with professional-grade rollers offering more aggressive adhesives and larger sheets that cover more area per application. For people with arthritis or grip strength issues, consider ergonomic handles that reduce hand strain during extended use. Buy lint rollers in bulk from warehouse stores to reduce per-unit cost while ensuring you always have fresh supplies available.
These 7 techniques represent just the beginning of what this versatile tool can accomplish in your home. From professional quality dusting to mobility-friendly solutions, safe glass cleanup to complete automotive maintenance, the humble lint roller proves that effective cleaning doesn't require expensive, complicated equipment. Start implementing these methods gradually, focusing first on applications that address your biggest cleaning challenges. As you become comfortable with each technique, you'll naturally discover additional ways to incorporate lint rollers into your routine. Your lint roller will quickly become one of your most valuable and frequently used home tools. From Marcus and everyone at Seniors Cleaning Hacks, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more incredible cleaning discoveries.